As a distributor or supplier, you should always be looking for new ways to boost your brand awareness and attract attention of potential new manufacturing or retailer partners. PPC advertising can be a great way to do this, and this video will share some useful PPC tips for distributors and suppliers. First of all, it's advisable to focus on long-tail keywords, specifically those including a location such as yellow pumps in York. In PPC campaigns, you can also use geo-targeting options to target your ads at specific geographic areas such as York only or York and surrounding smaller cities. This will prevent you from spending money on people who won't convert because they're located too far away. Secondly, if the manufacturer has allowed you to use their branded terminology in your ads, make sure you refrain from using words such as official. This will avoid confusing retailers and will also honor your partnership with the manufacturer. And finally, you should have an in-depth discussion with the manufacturer to establish how many distribution partners they have selling the same products. It may be that they have a distributor who's selling much higher volumes of stock and they have given them preference over certain keywords. This is only one of the many factors which may come into play, and having a clear and open understanding of this can be very important. Do you have any other tips for digital marketing for distributors and suppliers? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, we have an in-depth guide about this topic on our training platform. Check it out using the link in the description.